I'm Harry, and I want to welcome you to Boston. Every year, more than 150,000 students come here to study, and whether you're heading to class, grabbing a part-time job, or checking out everything this amazing city has to offer, the MBTA, or as we call it, the T, is the best way to get around. The T isn't just trains, it is also buses, ferries, and the commuter rail, so you can explore far beyond campus. Getting started is easy. Just use the trip planner at mbta.com/trip planner to find the best route from your dorm or apartment to, well, anywhere you can imagine. When it comes to fares, you've got options. Day passes, weekly passes, monthly passes, you name it. And most colleges also offer discounted semester passes, so check with your school to see what's available. You can pay with a Charlie card, a contactless credit card, or even your phone. Just tap to ride at subway gates and vehicle fare boxes. Pay your fare, it's only fair. Paying your fare is very important. Fare engagement representatives are out there checking tickets, and citations can be issued if you haven't paid, so make sure you pay before you ride. For safety, download the MBTA CSA app. It lets you report any concerns anonymously and in real time directly to transit police. And if you ever need help, don't be afraid to ask anyone for transit ambassadors in red shirts or any MBTA staff member. They're here to help. The T runs around 1 a.m. Sunday through Thursday and about 2 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. So whether you're out late or heading home from a study session with your friends, we've got you covered. Want service updates and tips? Follow us on social media and sign up for T alerts at mbta.com/subscribe. And if you're curious about what's happening behind the scenes at the T, from projects to people, check out our podcast, Spilling the Tea. It's a great way to learn more about your transit system and the perfect soundtrack for your commute. From Fenway Park to the Freedom Trail, Newberry Street to the MFA, we've got it all. There's a lot to explore, and the T can take you there. Enjoy exploring the city, places beyond. Don't get stuck in the Boston traffic. Just take the T and have a terrific day.